The only reason people comes back to listening to your music over and over again, whether you agree with me or not, it comes down to one thing: your chorus. Think of your favorite song, for example. Before you play your favorite song, you first of all sing the chorus in your mind or out loud. And that is the reason why you keep going back to listening to that music. If writing a great chorus is what you have been struggling with, or you are looking to level up your writing skill, in this video we are going to cover 3 simple steps on how to write a great chorus, and the third one will be the most important one, so you make sure to watch this video to the end and stick around. Welcome back, guys. My name is Aros. I'm a music artist. Here on this channel, what I do, I share tips on how to write a great song. So if this is what you're interested in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, and share this video to more of your music artists who are interested in writing a great song that might one day win Grammy Awards. So without wasting much time, let's get into the video ASAP. Now, step number 1, find your title first. I've seen a lot of people, I personally myself have done this, writing a song, and when it gets to the chorus, I write my chorus, and when it gets to, titling the song, giving the song a name, I became stuck and started looking for what title to give to that song. And I know this is similar something to which you have encountered on your own journey, but don't get me wrong, getting your title first is more important, because once you get your title, you can build your lyrics and your song around that title, especially your chorus, because the main purpose of this video is writing a great chorus. So what you want to do is first of all find your title of that song. Once you get your title of the song, I personally, how I write my song is, when I got my title of my song, I head over straight to find my chorus, to bring out my chorus to life. I find a means to bring out my chorus. I jump my verse 1, verse 2, I jump every other part, I put every other part on hold, and I go direct to the chorus and start building from the chorus once I get my idea title. Don't get me wrong, getting your idea title is important, because it would make you write a lyrics that is not outside of your title. If you don't have a title, it's easy to write a song out of what you are trying to talk about. But once you have a title, it's going to give you a guideline. Once you're writing, you look at your title, you notice you are writing off your title, you instantly adjust back to your title. Now, this is the reason why you need to get your title first of all if you want to write a great and wonderful chorus. Don't get me wrong, there are a lot of people that do it a different way, but the purpose of this video, I want to make it easy and peasy so it can be more easy for you. So once you got your title, I'll advise you to first of all head over to your chorus and start building from your chorus. But if you are the type that like writing from your verse, pre-chorus, then chorus, then you can also do that. Just remember, this is just a way to get your song a great chorus. And once you got that title, you can start writing maybe from your verse to your chorus, or maybe from your chorus. But writing from your chorus first will give you a guideline. So once you build from your chorus, you can from your chorus start writing from your verse 1 and your verse 2. But if you want to do it a different way, write from your verse, pre-chorus and chorus, then verse 2, you can also do it like that. I personally prefer, after getting my title of my song, I head over starting building my chorus. Now this takes us to number 2, build your melody around the title. Now once we got our title, we don't just want to go ahead and start writing our title line by line or one by one. We want to build a melody around the title. This video will also be more like a practical video, and I think I will have to pick a title for this video, and I think the title I'm going to pick is Only Lover. That's the title I'm going to pick, and from that title I'm going to build a chorus from that title, and you can see how we're going to build this chorus. And remember, I prefer using my title as the end part of the chorus. Like after I sing everything, I want to make sure like Only Lover is in the end of the chorus, which give it more spicy and make it feel entertaining and give that dopamine hit we are looking for, to make sure you have hear the title of the song inside the chorus. So without wasting much time, let's get into it. Now remember, I said the title we're going to use is Only Lover, so you can pick from whatever title you want to work on, then build your chorus around it. Now this is how I'm going to build the chorus. So remember, I said Only Lover, I want it to be in the end of the chorus, which will give the listener that dopamine it is looking for. So let's get into it. I won't give up on you. That get darling and it's darling on. I won't give up on you. Like this only morning for the story. You are my holy. You are my holy lover. You are my holy. You are my holy lover. You can see how I just built this chorus of that title. Remember, when building your chorus, don't forget, don't be afraid to try like humming what you want, like just to make sure once you get that melody, then you can write something off what you just get from that melody. Now this takes us to step 3. Save your tonic chord for the chorus. I know this might sound a little bit tricky and confusing, but don't get me wrong, it's simple as you think. What is your tonic chord? Your tonic chord is simply your chord progression you use for that particular song, for a particular song. And the tonic chord is simply, let's say you are using A minor on, you are playing A minor, you use A minor on a song, which is you are playing A minor, then you are playing D, then you are playing C, then you are finally playing E. What you want to do is you want to keep the tonic chord, which is the A minor, and once you get to the chorus, you start using the A minor on the chorus. That is going to give more dopamine hits when your listener are listening to your song, because it's going to give them this feeling like a new progression just come in with the chorus, and which is not that. And you have been keeping this chord progression from the verse and just apply it only to the chorus, which will give more dopamine hits and people will love your song. Thanks for watching this video. If this video is helpful to you and you like this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, share this video, and don't forget to comment your thoughts down below, because I will be glad to help you regardless on any issue you are facing on songwriting. Peace and light. On God on my side.